Food.
What do you want for breakfast?
I want toast and coffee.
Do you like eggs?
Yes, I love eggs.
How many slices of bread do you eat?
I eat 2 slices.
Do you prefer cereal or oatmeal?
I prefer oatmeal.
What do you usually have for lunch?
I usually have a sandwich.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables daily.
Which fruit do you like the most?
I like mangoes the most.
Do you drink water with meals?
Yes, I always drink water.
How often do you eat fast food?
I rarely eat fast food.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
How many meals do you have per day?
I have 3 meals.
Do you snack between meals?
Sometimes I snack on fruit.
What do you drink with dinner?
I drink tea with dinner.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
How many slices of pizza do you eat?
I eat 2 slices.
Do you prefer thin crust or thick crust?
I prefer thin crust.
What toppings do you like on pizza?
I like pepperoni and cheese.
Do you eat rice every day?
Yes, I eat rice daily.
What is your favorite type of rice?
I like jasmine rice.
Do you like noodles?
Yes, I love noodles.
Which noodle dish do you prefer?
I prefer pad thai.
Do you eat soup?
Yes, I eat soup often.
What is your favorite soup?
My favorite soup is chicken noodle.
Do you like bread?
Yes, I love bread.
What kind of bread do you like?
I like whole grain bread.
Do you eat breakfast at home or outside?
I eat breakfast at home.
What do you usually have for dinner?
I usually have grilled chicken.
Do you like desserts after dinner?
Sometimes I have fruit.
How many glasses of milk do you drink daily?
I drink 1 glass of milk.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What is your favorite coffee drink?
My favorite coffee is latte.
Do you add sugar to your tea?
Yes, I add a little sugar.
How many pieces of fruit do you eat per day?
I eat 2 pieces of fruit.
Do you like yogurt?
Yes, I love yogurt.
What flavor of yogurt do you prefer?
I prefer strawberry yogurt.
Do you eat nuts?
Sometimes I eat almonds.
What is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is granola bar.
Do you like cheese?
Yes, I love cheese.
What kind of cheese do you like?
I like cheddar cheese.
Do you eat fish?
Yes, I eat fish twice a week.
What is your favorite fish dish?
My favorite fish dish is grilled salmon.
Do you like meat?
Yes, I love meat.
What type of meat do you prefer?
I prefer chicken.
Do you eat pork?
Sometimes I eat pork.
What is your favorite pork dish?
My favorite pork dish is pork chops.
Do you like tofu?
Yes, I like tofu.
What dishes can you make with tofu?
I can make tofu stir-fry.
Do you eat breakfast cereal?
Yes, I eat cereal with milk.
What is your favorite cereal?
My favorite cereal is cornflakes.
Do you drink juice?
Yes, I drink orange juice.
What fruit juice do you like?
I like apple juice.
Do you eat chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
What type of chocolate do you prefer?
I prefer dark chocolate.
Do you eat fast food burgers?
Sometimes I eat burgers.
What toppings do you add to a burger?
I add lettuce and tomato.
Do you like pancakes?
Yes, I love pancakes.
What do you put on pancakes?
I put maple syrup.
Do you eat ice cream?
Yes, I eat ice cream often.
What flavor of ice cream do you like?
I like chocolate ice cream.
Do you drink soda?
No, I rarely drink soda.
What is your favorite snack at the movies?
I like popcorn.
Do you like spicy noodles?
Yes, I love spicy noodles.
What is your favorite salad?
My favorite salad is Caesar salad.
Do you add dressing to your salad?
Yes, I add olive oil.
How many cups of coffee do you drink per day?
I drink 2 cups of coffee.
Do you eat breakfast cereal with fruit?
Yes, I add banana slices.
What is your favorite sandwich filling?
My favorite is ham and cheese.
Do you eat breakfast pastries?
Sometimes I eat a croissant.
What is your favorite fruit juice?
My favorite is mango juice.
Do you like to bake?
Yes, I bake cookies often.
What do you bake most often?
I bake chocolate chip cookies.
Do you eat breakfast on weekends?
Yes, I have pancakes.
What do you drink with breakfast?
I drink orange juice.
Do you eat meat on Fridays?
No, I avoid meat on Fridays.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is broccoli.
Do you like to grill?
Yes, I grill chicken often.
What side dish do you have with grilled meat?
I have a salad.
Do you eat breakfast cereal with honey?
Sometimes I add honey.
What is your favorite breakfast drink?
My favorite is coffee.
Do you like to make smoothies?
Yes, I make fruit smoothies.
What fruits do you use in smoothies?
I use banana and berries.
Do you eat dessert after lunch?
Sometimes I have a cookie.
What is your favorite fast food chain?
My favorite is McDonald's.
Do you order takeout?
Yes, I order takeout often.
What do you usually order?
I usually order a burger.
Do you like to try new recipes?
Yes, I love trying new recipes.
What is the last dish you cooked?
I cooked vegetable stir-fry.
Do you like to eat with chopsticks?
Yes, I use chopsticks.
What is your favorite breakfast pastry?
My favorite is a muffin.
Do you add butter to your toast?
Yes, I add butter.
How many teaspoons of sugar do you use in tea?
I use 1 teaspoon.
Do you like spicy sauces?
Yes, I love spicy sauces.
What sauce do you put on your fries?
I put ketchup.
Do you eat breakfast cereal with yogurt?
Yes, I mix them together.
What is your favorite food to cook on weekends?
I love making pizza at home.
Do you drink water before meals?
Yes, I drink water first.
How many times a day do you snack?
I snack 3 times.
Do you like to share food?
Yes, I love sharing.
Thanks for watching.